one's going to be an absolutely fun conversation, I imagine, and absolutely witty, and something which people in UK and Europe, sitting wherever they may be, Munich, Manchester, Reading, London, will relate to. Because the question is, what is it, and you're allowed to say maybe one or maximum two things, what is it that you get in India and you don't ever find in supermarkets here in the UK, and vice versa? You go first.
Right, I think being a Bengalian in this particular occasion, what I miss thoroughly is basically Shondesh, the Bengali Nolan Gure Shondesh. So when I was young, my mom used to always have some, it's pujo, you need to have some. And I, no, I'm not interested, but now I miss it so much.
Mommy, please give it back
Yeah,
to me.
so whenever she comes, what do you want? Can you get some mishti for me, please? The ones that we don't get here. And
I
yeah.
even miss the perfect rasgullas.
Oh yeah.
Very true.
Still now we get some rasgulla. We can live with that.
Which is
but,
where I'll take the address.
Royal sweets. That's
all right.
lovely,
I mean,
but
I've not. It's not really like what you get in
typical,
Kolkata.
yeah.
not
do
the
you?
exactly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
What's yours?
Mine is ghee.
I agree.
Kolkata.
I agree.
Especially during this Durga Puja, when you are eating khichuri and bhog, and if you are not getting that aroma of ghee, Kolkata, that typical ghee flavor,
Then what bhog is it?
It's not at all completed without ghee. So definitely, I'm always look for ghee in our England.
So do you actually bring it when you come?
Oh yes, every time.
How many kgs?
At least I try to get 3 to 4 kgs.
Immigration में बता दे.
And you can figure it out seeing me how much big ghee lover I am.
I'm just curious about your suitcases smelling full of ghee. You know,
Oh.
when you...
Oh, they're very
I
well
ca- I
packed.
can.
Very well packed.
actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, gentlemen.
Yes.
What is the item that you never get? How long have you been living here, sir, in the UK?
I live here, since 1962. But off and on, I went 68 back and then came back with my wife. And then since I'm
And
living
what
here-
else did you come back with which you don't get here?
Well, that's the thing actually puzzling me. I don't know what we don't get here. Sometimes we don't get in Calcutta, but we get in supermarket over here.
Oh.
That is,
Which is that?
I mean, let's say, not that one. No, I'm saying taler bora. You can't get taler bora in supermarket because this is absolutely because. So that's the thing.
So it's available here.
In some Bangladeshi shops, you will find taler bada and many traditional Bengali items.
Yeah.
On top of that, you will find some what is that called, patali gur and
Patali
yeah, those
gur.
things you
And
will find it in Kolkata. You will find maybe 2-3 months. However, you will find it for entire year. You will find it in Bangladeshi supermarkets over here.
What are the Indian items, I'm asking? Can you look beyond Kolkata for help? 1 second.
Khati shorsher tel. That's a pure mustard oil. You can't
Mustard
get
oil.
here.
Pure mustard oil you don't get here.
That's right.
I would say, saag that we have. There is again, it's something in Kolkata, being a Bengali. It's lal saag, which I've never found here in the UK. So every time I go back to Calcutta, that's there in my menu.
Sarson ka saag though is very good.
Well,
In
even-
South Hall.
yeah, but even spinach you get here, palang, but you don't get the lal saag, which you get back in
I'm really surprised to see in Calcutta, but I mean, especially Bengali, they eat kochulloti, right? And only I've seen in Calcutta, mostly in Calcutta. But I was surprised that you can get kochulloti in here.
Yes, you will find it many
That's
places.
right.
And one thing what I miss is the chanachur in Bengali. What is called here? It is mixture. Every time I come from Bengal, from Kolkata, I bring mukharachak chanachur, maybe 5-6 kg, so that I can survive for 3-4
kg?
for 3-4 months. I can survive.
He doesn't bring
Yeah.
clothes, only
5-6 kgs in 3-4 months only. Okay, ladies, and I'm sure your list is long.
Absolutely. So being a Bengali, obviously you found out by now we are massive foodies. So I'm going to talk about food again. So Kolkata street food. Kobiraji cutlet, mutton
Puchka!
cutlet, puchka. I know it's not the same taste here. And that is something I would die for. I mean, every time I go to India. that's my mission, to go and eat there.
I think that's what I would echo what Emily just said. I think Bengalis think in terms of food. Every emotion is equated to food, and I think we need a lot more Bengali food options in UK.
Can we go beyond food?
Yeah, but I'd like to mention that I absolutely miss the authentic taste of Calcutta. I mean, we do get food from Calcutta here, but the authentic taste of Calcutta, I really miss it. And we do get fish here, but the fresh river caught fish we don't get. I'm sorry.
That has to be in the list. Fish is not even food. Fish is just religion. Fish is blood. Yeah. He's just joined in, by the way.
So I miss kumro fuler bhaja, kumro ful, the pumpkin flower. We have to go buy the food. He has to food.
Fuler bora.
We're
Oh,
hardcore
that's
foodies, hardcore foodies. Bengali, yeah,
It's not just you. It's, yes, saris. That's what I wanted to do.
Saris, the Dhakai saris, right? And all the latest fad of saris which you see in the Indian.
All these saris are from India?
Yes, all of them.
I'm not wearing it because there is a problem. We get the saris, but it's problem with the blouse.
That's a big.
So why are you not talking about not finding the craftsmen of India, not finding the ones to do the alteration work, not the ones to stitch the kind of blouses to go with the sari? But in the supermarket, anything else that you will definitely pick when you go back for good to India from the UK?
Available here is Bangladeshi big hilsa fish, which we will not find in Kolkata. I'm talking about some 2 kg fish, 2 kg hilsa. Because of some political reason, fish is not exported to Kolkata from Bangladesh, which comes directly here. Price is also cheap. If you even get it in Kolkata, it is double the price what you get in UK. So I travel every day 45 miles to Swindon. I found one Bengali supermarket. I go blindly and pick one hilsa fish every week for my weekend.
Okay. Awesome indeed. Awesome indeed. So now we know why you're driving to Swindon already. But thank you for talking to us, and hopefully you come back with full bags of everything else, and make sure they don't smell too much of the food items. Thank you.